Hey, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. My name's Scott. I'm the creator of RC Terminator, where we just have a blast bashing, fixing, just enjoying ourselves, having a good time, and not having to spend a bunch of money to do it. So, if it's something you guys like, and that seems to be of interest to you, hit that subscribe button down at the bottom. Don't forget that notification bell so you know when I post new videos. And we're going to get right to this video. Alright, here we go. Well, as you can see, the kyosho outlaw rampage is back on the table. And my thought is gonna not use it as a bash or jump or stuff like that just because of the issues that it has. But I think I found the perfect alternative for it. And it's actually going to come off the back here. Let me move this a little bit for you guys. It's going to come off the back. It might be a single axle, it might be a dual axle. I'm not quite sure which direction I'm going to take for that, but I'm going to build a trailer. And why a trailer, you ask? We're going to actually do two different builds here. First one's going to be the trailer, and it's going to be made of just some real light material, some aluminum, and some wire mesh type stuff. And we're going to actually build a trailer to pull a drift car. Yes, you heard it. I'm going to build a drift car. And of course, I guess the theme's going to be kyosho, because I'm going to be pulling a trailer with a kyosho, so I think it kind of seems to fit to have a kyosho behind it on the trailer. And I kind of got inspired with this from a new YouTuber. He's actually just getting started. Real good friend of mine, fipps, F-I-P-P-S. He's actually just started on YouTube. Do me a favor, go check out some of his videos. I'll put his username down in the comment section, down in the description box, and go check him out and see what you guys think. He's actually in the process of building a track car Mustang, and he's in the process of building a RX-8 drift car. So I want to build a drift car. Yeah, and it's going to be an RX-8 too. I'm going to try to do everything identical to what he's doing for looks, for the body color. That's one reason why I'm going to try to find an RX-8 body for it. We can do the light kits. We're going to go ahead and install a light kit on this truck as well. And I've already got the new shocks for this truck. I'm going to go ahead and keep it brushed, keep the stock motor stuff in it. We're not even going to change that. But I'm going to go ahead and put a little heavier duty shocks to handle the weight on the rear for it so it doesn't bottom out. And that's pretty much all we're going to do with this truck, just light kit and change the shocks. But the biggest challenge is going to be the trailer. Reason why is this truck was never designed for that. As you can see, there's nothing back here over the axles where I can attach back here for the trailer hitch. It separates from here. Back is its own independent unit. It's just pretty much take the rods, the shocks, and the upper links and the motor, and you got the whole rear section apart. So that's going to be the hardest part, is figure out where to attach here, which it looks like on the body here. Let me zoom you guys in so you can see what I'm talking about. Looks like right here is a spot where we can attach something, so I'm thinking of running just across. I just got to figure out how to support it and keep it from moving. That's just the biggest thing. So I'm not sure quite how to do that yet, but that's going to be the challenge of figuring that part out. But I don't know. I'm hoping that this project to turn out. I'm going to try to keep the trailer build $30 or less. And in that comment section, let me know if you guys want me to do the build video on the trailer. I'd be glad to kind of show you what materials I bought, where I got it at, give you the breakdown of what I spent, and I mean, let's just see how it goes. And if you guys want me to do the video on the build on that, let me know. If not, I'll do it off camera. But I mean, I'd love to show you guys, kind of show you my little feedback of what I'm doing. And I figured might as well knock the cobwebs off this kyosho and put it to work. You know, spend all the money on it, might as well use it. That's kind of my thought process on it. But I don't know. The drift car park seems kind of cool. I've never done one of those, so I kind of want to get something going there. You know, this guy is only 2-wheel drive, but it's gonna stay on the pavement. I mean, I'm not gonna put this thing on the dirt, so I'm not gonna do the modification on the steering or any of that other stuff. I'm gonna keep this just bare bone stock, pretty much brown what you brown type thing with this. But I think the drift car is going to be a good idea. I'm going to have a blast with that. So I appreciate it. I just wanted to kind of give you a little breakdown on what's on my head. See what you guys thought, and do me a favor. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. If this is something you guys think would be cool, give me that thumbs up. I appreciate it. Thank you. So what do you guys think? What do you guys think of my idea? I mean, I think it's something different, unique. I don't see anybody actually attaching a trailer to one of these at all. And I think it's going to be something cool. And might as well use it. I mean, pretty much. You know, don't waste what you got. Let's modify and make what we can have fun with. I mean, I guess that's the whole point of the hobby. Go outside and have fun. And that's kind of what I'm going to end up doing with this. We're going to go ahead and get the light kit for it. I mean, I can get a light kit, you know, for the headlights, and I ain't even got to worry about tail lights. Just throw me some headlights in this thing. Because, of course, you know, maybe I'll have to do the tail light part and run the tail lights to the trailer so at least it looks right. Yeah, that's a good idea there. I might have to do that. But the biggest challenge I think is going to be is getting a hitch attached to the truck. The trailer part, nah. It's pretty much a box. It's square. I mean, it just depends on how you want to do it. I just got to figure out the breakdown of the measurements and stuff, because I want to keep it looking right. I don't want it just to be gaudy and funny looking. But that's actually my thoughts. And sorry for just blabbering on here. Just wanted to make sure I discussed everything with you guys, and so I can get a good feedback from you. So do me a favor. If this is something you guys like, something you guys want to keep up with, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget that notification bell. And we're going to figure out how we're going to do this. And do me a favor. Give me a comment down below. Let me know. You know, see if I'm actually doing this right for you guys. I think this is something that we can all learn upon. So, until next time, go outside, have some fun. Or if not, sit inside where it's warmer. And fix your stuff. So when it gets warmer, you can go outside and have even more fun. Whichever way, we're going to take care of it. And do me a favor. Have a good one. Thank you.